Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic present perfect continuous. Okay, in my last video I taught you about the usage of present perfect. Okay, now I am going to tell you about present perfect continuous. Okay, look at the board. First of all, helping verbs of present perfect continuous. You know very well that has been plus first form plus ing. Okay, have been first form plus ing. These are the helping verbs of present perfect continuous. Okay, when subjects he, she, it, any name, we should use has been first form plus ing. When subjects I, we, you, they, any plural thing, we should use have been first form plus ing. Okay, after it, now I am going to tell you about how to use since and for. Okay, you should remember one point, that in past perfect continuous, in future perfect continuous, as well as in present perfect continuous, we need either since or for. We always try to follow the same rule which I am going to tell you about since and for, also for past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay, first of all, how to use since to express point of time, then we should use since. Example, morning, evening, afternoon, 6 a.m., 1997, etc. Okay, we should use since to express point of time. Example, he has been reading a book. Morning. Then we should write since. Okay, because point of time is given in form of morning. Okay, after that, for, to express period of time, then we should use for, months, hours, years, etc. Example, he has been reading a book 1 hour. Here 1 hour is given, I mean to say that period of time is given in form of 1 hour, then we should use for. Okay, what are the helping verbs of present perfect? Has been first form plus ing, have been first form plus ing. When subject he, she, it, any name, we should use has been plus first form plus ing. When subject I, we, you, they, any plural thing, we should use have been, first form plus ing. How to use since and for. We should remember one point that in past perfect continuous, in future perfect continuous, we should follow these two rules regarding since and for. Since to express point of time, some words morning, evening, afternoon, 6 am, 1997, 2000, etc. Example, he has been reading a book since morning. To express period of time, there are some words which are related to period of times, months, hours, years. He has been reading a book for 1 hour. Okay. In today's video, I have told you about the helping verbs of present perfect continuous, and after that how to use since and for. Since to express point of time, for to express period of time. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.